Hi my loves, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will going to read some channeled messages from your person. Okay, let's see the situation first. Let's pull 3 cards, the focus of your energy and the energy of this situationship or relationship. Tingnan natin. May isang nahulog. At kompletuhin natin. Ayan. Meron tayong waves. And meron din tayong seer crickets. Ayan, meron tayong bonus card dito na nahulog, escapade, and also the divine masculine. The divine masculine. So these are the focus of your relationship. Escapade. Motions, silence, non-action. Okay, so you are dealing with someone na gustong maging hermit mode. Pag sinabing hermit mode, yung gusto mapag-isa. Okay? And most of this energy is, sabihin natin, yung divine masculine sa inyong relationship. So, kung sino yung mas dominant sa inyo, gusto niya ng pahinga. Kasi nandito yung hideaway natin. And sabihin natin, they are dealing with these waves of emotions. Okay? Or maybe some of you ay gustong mapag-isa, magmahinga. Okay? So, kung sino man yung dominant sa inyong relationship, gusto nila mapag-isa or mamahinga. Gusto nilang ng katahimikan and peace of mind. Kasi emotions more on emotions. Or maybe, nakakaramdam itong divine masculine natin ng medyo toxicity when it comes to their feminine partner. Okay? Kasi kumbaga, nagdudulot ito, yung feminine na to, ng emotions, ng waves sa kanya. So, ito din ay pwede natin gamitin as sign na if ever na sabihin natin parang walang pakialam itong divine masculine ninyo, they are, sabihin natin, dinadamdam niya yun. Meron, dinadamdam niya yun, and sabihin natin, gusto niyang mamahinga, gusto niyang matapos yun. I also feel na meron din dito you are dealing with, sabihin natin, post non-action relationship. Some of you, some of my collectives are dealing with non-action relationship. Yung parang, kumbaga, sabihin natin, kasi itong cricket na to, non-action. Wala nagpaparamdam ni isa sa inyo. Maybe some of you are dealing with that type of energy. Let's see kung saan to papunta. And kagaya na sinabi ko most of the energy here, yung dealing with this energy is masculine. So, hindi to sa male or female, basta masculine kung sino yung dominant doon sa energy na yun. Okay? Ayan, nandito na naman yung travel, yung journey. Closure issues. I also see na paparating ang closure issues. And masusurprise ka because it comes as shocking news or sabihin nating surprise. Resentment. One of you are dealing with their karmic relationship. It's time to let go. Dalawang card yung natin. Okay. I feel na some of you are dealing with non-action relationship. Itong sabihin natin sa tahimik ang inyong situationship. Wala kayong communication. Tahimik And one of you, sabihin natin, dinadala niya masyado yun. hideaway. Yes, nagpahinga. I see na nagpahinga itong relationship na to. Pero, kung ito ay sabihin natin matagal lang nakapost, ito non-action eh. Walang kumikilos ni isa sa inyo. And I also feel, pwede din yung divine masculine ay walang balak umaksyon. Okay? Kasi ito din, oh, dalawang beses natin nakita dito yung card natin na moving on and letting go. Okay. I also see here the transformation and sudden change. Ito yung katumbas natin ng the Tower card, the lightning. Okay, so some of you ay nakakaranas ng emotional pain, pero sabihin natin, sige, igagayak natin, because of this reading, igagayak ka natin na talagang ito ay magugulat ka, masyashock ka dito. Maybe one or some of you ay makaka-receive ng news about this, about your person na talaga ikakagulat mo at magpapabangon sa'yo, magpapamulat sa'yo na kailangan mo nang mag-move on. Kung ano man yung natin shocking news na yun, this is a sign na, kumbaga, kailangan may handa ang sarili mo to move on. This is a sign na kailangan mong i-focus ang iyong energy sa iyong sarili, loving yourself. And dapat talaga ma-identify mo na yung lessons. Because nandito, 2 times lumabas yung letting go dito. Okay. So, let's see. Message from your person. Let's see message from your person. Bakit itong katahimikan na to ay biglang manggugulat? Manggugulat? It's shocking with surprise. Para saan to? And ito ay magkukos sa inyo ng sudden change. Ano ba ang gustong sabihin sa inyo ng iyong person? Let's see. Think before you act. If I asked you to stay, would you leave? Tanging kayo ang makakasagot ng mga tanong. I left because you told me to. So, base sa energy na to, parang kumbaga, I don't feel na merong settlement na mangyayari. So, yun na. Kasi, di ba meron yang change, merong news na mangyayari. This, I also feel na ihanda ang sarili that it might be for the closure issues. Kasi nandito ang letting go and closure issues. Okay? Let's pull another card from your person. I couldn't let you get close to me. Diba sabi ko nga, parang hindi siya settlement. May mga dahilan siya kung bakit kailangan na. Itong katahimikan na to, may dahilan yan kung bakit. I couldn't let you get close to me. So many things remind me of you. I regret lying to you. Ayan, may mga bagay, maaaring itong tinutukoy niya dito, ito yung makakapagpagulat sa'yo. Soon na marireceive mo dito sa lightning na to. Ito yung marireceive mo, maaaring meron siyang hindi pinagtapat sa'yo before. Okay? Let's pull another card. Message from your spirit guides. Reconsider. Okay, so your angels are telling you to reconsider kung ano man yung mga binabalak mong gawin. Think before you act. Reconsider this relationship. Maaaring meron, kumbaga ma-offend o may makakapagpa-offend sa'yo. May magdudulot sa'yo ng emotional pain. But your angels are telling you to reconsider. Your strength and weakness are being tested. Okay? So sabi ko nga sa inyo, my collectives, na ito hindi masyadong smooth yung paparating na to. So this is a sign, if you seeing this video, this is a sign na, kumbaga, ihanda ang sarili na may kinalaman dito sa person kasi ito is love reading. May kinalaman doon sa iyong situationship, sa iyong person na parang kumbaga nananahimik kayo and merong news kang marireceive about this person na makakaapekto sa inyong situationship, sa katahimikan na meron dito. Okay. So, let's pull Romantic Angels. Your strengths and weaknesses are being tested. You have, because ito para hindi na lang tayo maging deluludis. Kasi kumbaga, madalang ako mag-sugarcoat when it comes to love reading. Pero lumitaw kasi dito yung karmic relationship. Pag karmic relationship talaga, lagi dapat natin tandaan na ito ay hindi pang habang araw. Nandyan ang person mo para magbigay at mag-serve sa'yo ng lessons. Okay. So, ngayon, one of the news maybe na ito ay chance, pero meron yung kaakibat na mga ganito. Kasi, if ever na lumapit tong person mo or may mabalitaan ka, tinetest ka dito. Okay, tinetest ka dito. And ito na lang din ang, lumitaw yung karmic relationship. Ano yung lessons na tinetest mo? Okay, ano yung lessons na kailangan mo matutunan doon sa test na yun? Okay, my loves? And that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and I'll see you in my next one.